if you're like me and you rip the UFLs off the Wi-Fi adapters on your Emax kit, you can buy new ones. They're like not very expensive on AliExpress. Tools I use to fix them are braided wire to remove solder, heavily flux solder to allow everything to flow easier at lower temps. Clean off your brush. These are the antennas that I use. Soldering iron and a heat gun. Get it done. Notice this is just like a normal USB pinout. You could put whatever you needed.
Hang up and hustle,